Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. Hear the water running, hear the drums calling. Life is a journey, like the river, we keep flowing. One love. One love. You wake up when the morning comes shine, feel the breeze blow through the trees, hear the birds singing sweetly, like a blessing from the seas. Me take a moment to give thanks for the breath inside me chest, for the family and the people, for the love that give me rest. Me know the road not always easy. Sometimes stones block the way, sometimes clouds cover the sunshine, and the night feel longer than day. But me learn from the river flowing, it never stop because of storm. It find a way around the trouble and keep moving on its own. When the pressure start to rise up and the worries fill your mind, remember every difficult moment can leave us strength behind. When the storm come with the thunder and the waves begin to roll, keep the faith inside your spirit, keep the fire in your soul. Hey, the river keep flowing, no matter what it face. Through the valley, through the mountain, it still find another place. The river keep flowing, like the journey of our life, through the struggle and the hardship, through the darkness and the light. So keep moving forward, never stop believing. Jah guide every footstep, I like the river keep flowing. Remember them days of struggle, when the road was hard to walk, when me had more questions than answers and more silence than talk. But me found hope in the morning, found courage in the rain, found a lesson in the hardship, found a purpose in the pain. Hey, every person got a battle, every heart got something hidden. Some are fighting quiet battles, waiting for a new beginning. Some is send love to the dreamers who are trying every day. Keep the vision in your heart and never throw it away. Me see the children by the river playing underneath the sun, full of dreams and imagination, knowing life has just begun. Me see the elders telling stories from the times that came before, passing down the ancient wisdom like a treasure from the shore. Me see the people coming together with respect and unity, showing that a little kindness can create a better reality. When the reggae beats start playing and the bass begin to sound, feel the energy rise and feel the love all around. Music bring the hearts together from the village to the town, lift the spirit of the people when the world try hold them down. Every rhythm got a message, every song got something true, every voice can bring a blessing, every heart can make a move. Like the river keep on flowing, me will never stop me race. Like the sun keep on returning, hope will always find a place. No matter what tomorrow bring us, no matter what we have to face, with your love and determination, we will walk with strength and grace. Protect the earth and keep it peaceful, show compassion every day, plant the seeds of love and kindness, and watch the world change its way. The river keep flowing through the seasons and the years, carrying our hopes and dreams, washing away our fears. one love forever, Rastafari. Neon lights, empty streets, midnight air, a restless soul. Some people chase the city, some people chase a dream. I'm still chasing a feeling. The skyline glows like fire tonight, reflections dancing on the glass. Every street I wonder whispers how quickly all our moments pass. Taxi headlights paint the pavement, blue and gold beneath the rain. Every face becomes a stranger, yet somehow they're all the same. I still hear your quiet laughter floating through the evening air, like a melody that lingers even though you're not there. Every corner holds a memory, every rooftop knows our names. The city keeps its secrets, why nothing stays the same. Summer night, where every dream felt possible, and every star burned bright. Neon hearts are beating under midnight skies, searching through the city for a place where hope survives. Neon hearts are dreaming, shops are slowly closing, street musicians pack away. The moon watches every dreamer, trying to find a better day. I remember endless conversations about the lives we'd someday live. We had nothing but tomorrow and everything to give. Now the years have changed the picture, different grows beneath my feet, but the fire still burns inside me. With every heartbeat, steady beat. Every scar became a lesson, every tear became a song. Every chapter made me stronger, helping me keep moving on. Maybe life is like the skyline, always changing with the dawn. Buildings rise while others disappear, yet the city carries on. And maybe we're the same inside, growing through the joy and pain, losing parts of who we once were, only to find ourselves again. Neon hearts are beating, long after Rastafari, hear the thunder rolling, feel the wind a blow. But me know say after every storm, the sunshine surely show. One love, yeah. Me wake up every morning, give thanks for another day. Though the road sometimes rough now, me still keep moving on the way. Life bring many challenges, like waves upon the sea. But Jah give me strength and courage, fi become who me meant fi be. Me walk through the valley sometimes with worries for my mind, searching for the better days that me know say me will find. Me no let the darkness hold me, me no let the fear control. Because the fire burning deep inside, still shining in my soul. When the rain start falling heavy and the clouds cover the sky, me look up to the heavens, knowing Jah always nearby. Hey, when the road become uncertain and the answers hard to see, me hold on to the faith inside that keep me spirit free. Jah guide me through the storm, keep me standing strong. When the night feel never ending, show me where me belong. Hey, Jah guide me through the storm, carry me when me weak, put hope inside me heart again. Hey, give me strength to reach through the sunshine, through the rain, through the rain, through the rain. Me will rise again with love inside my spirit and blessings from the Most High. Me see the struggles of the people, me see the pain around the land, but me also see the kindness when somebody lend a hand. The mother working hard each morning, we provide for family. The father chasing after dreams, want a better destiny. The children looking toward tomorrow with hope inside their eyes, waiting for a brighter future underneath the open sky. So me sing for all the dreamers who keep fighting every day. Never give up on the journey, never lose the faith and pray. And the reggae drum start beating and the bassline start to roll. Me feel the rhythm feeling deep inside me soul. Music bring the hearts together, from the mountains to the sea, spreading love and unity, giving people hope to be free. Every song carry a message, every melody can heal, every voice can bring a change, every heart can make it real. So me keep the rhythm playing, keep the positive vibration, sharing love and understanding across every nation. Like the tree that stand through hurricane, my roots grow deep and strong. Like the river keep on flowing, me keep moving along. No storm can last forever, no night can hide the sun. Every struggle have an ending, every battle can be won. Teach the children love and kindness, show respect for everyone, build a world of peace and harmony underneath the same bright sun. Jah guide me through the storm, keep me heart full of light. When the road get dark and lonely, be my strength through the night. Jah guide me through the storm, me will never lose me way, because after every rainfall, come a brand new day. Through the sunshine, through the rain, me rise again and again with love inside my spirit and blessings from Jah's name. Yeah, yeah. Storm pass, sunshine, faith remain. Keep the love, keep the fire, keep the rhythm alive. One love Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. From the island to the world. Even when the distance wide, love still know the way. One love. Yeah. One love. Oh, oh. Me wake up in the morning, sunshine touch the window pane. New place and different faces, but me heart still call your name. The road them take me far away, across the ocean and the sea. But every breeze that touch my skin bring back memories of you and me. Me walk through streets me never know, underneath a foreign sky. But when the stars come out at night, me wonder if you're looking at. Time keep moving like a river, seasons changing every day. But some memories stay forever, them never fade away. Yeah. Me remember summer evening when the sunset paint the sky. We were laughing by the shoreline, watching all the clouds pass by. We had dreams bigger than mountains, hope stronger than the rain. Never thought the winds of life would carry us different ways. Now the miles stand between us like an ocean deep and wide. But the love and good memories still walking by my side. Me don't know what tomorrow bring or where the journey go, but the moments we created are the treasures me still hold. Even when the distance long and the night feel cold and dark, a true connection never break. It stays inside the heart. Even when the road divide us and the years keep rolling on, some feelings keep on living like an everlasting song. Hey, 1,000 miles away, but you're close to me heart. No matter where the journey leads, we never truly part. 1,000 miles away, under the same bright sky. Different roads you walking on, but the same stars passing by. Me carry the memories every night and every day. Love still find a way to shine, even 1,000 miles away. Me find an old song playing on the radio late at night, and suddenly me back again to moments full of life. Me remember the little things, the laughter and the smile, the conversations by the roadside that could last for many miles. Life teach many lessons and the world keep moving fast, but the beauty of the memories always come back from the past. Me no hold on to sadness, me just give thanks and pray for the blessings and the moments that help guide me way. Like the river find the ocean, like the bird fly through the sky. True love and true friendship can travel far and wide. No mountain too high for climb, no distance too great for cross. When something real inside your heart, it never truly lost. So me send these words upon the wind, let them travel where you are. From the island breeze tonight to wherever you star. 1,000 miles away, still me feel you're near. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, through every passing year. 1,000 ocean wide, the road long, but the heart know the way. Keep the faith, keep the love, one love forever. Rastafari, Rastafari. Letters never sent, there's a drawer filled with old envelopes, words I never spoke, feelings I never shared. Some stories are written in silence. Hidden in an old wooden drawer, beneath a stack of faded dreams, lies a bundle of unopened letters, not as simple as they seem. Every page begins with hope, every line begins your name, every sentence holds a heartbeat, still untouched by time and change. I wrote about the changing seasons, about the nights I couldn't sleep, about the promises I carry and the memories I still keep. I told you how the city changed, how the old cafe closed its doors, how every street still looked familiar, though nothing felt like before. Spoke of autumn mornings, golden leaves beneath our feet, the little bookstore on the corner where every weekend we would meet. Another talked about December, snowflakes dancing through the air, the empty bench beside the river still looked like you were sitting there. One was written on my birthday, wondering where the years had gone, thinking of the dreams we once believed in, long after we both moved on. I never mailed a single letter, never placed them in the mail. Some feelings don't need destinations, some stories never sail. If every word could find its owner, would they change the life we know? Or are some pages meant forever to remain unread below? Letters never sent, still whisper through the years, holding all the silent words hidden with the tears. Letters never sent, folded line by line, keeping every memory safe inside of time. Though they never reached your hands, their meaning never ends. Some of the truest conversations are the ones we never sent. Life kept writing different chapters with unfamiliar names and roads. The world grew larger all around us while we carried different loads. Sometimes I'd almost post one letter, standing by the mailbox late. Then I'd smile and walk away, trusting every twist of fate, because not every goodbye needs another explanation. Sometimes healing starts in silence, without a destination. The ink has faded through the years now, but the feelings still remain. Not as sorrow, not as longing, just gentle echoes after rain. Maybe love is in possession. Maybe time knows what is best. Maybe every unsent letter help my restless heart find rest. Words can build forgotten bridges, even if no one ever reads. Sometimes writing is enough to plant tomorrow's hopeful seed. So I'll keep those pages safely, not because I can't let go, but because they tell the story of the person I used to know. Letters never sent, still carry quiet light, guiding me through lonely mornings, comfort in the night. Letters never sent, never lost at sea. They found the place they always needed, here inside of me. Though the stamps were never printed, though no mailbox knew their name, every word became a stepping stone, helping me to change. The drawer slowly closes, the paper softly rustles. Outside, a new sunrise begins. Some letters were never meant to be delivered, because they already reached the heart that wrote them. Click. Another photograph, another heartbeat frozen in time. Dust settles on forgotten boxes, but memories never truly disappear. Some moments fade from our eyes, yet they never leave our hearts. I found an old box in the attic, hidden underneath the years, covered by a faded blanket, filled with smiles and silent tears. Every Polaroid was waiting, like it knew I'd come one day, holding little pieces of a lifetime that the years could not erase. There we stood beside the ocean, barefoot underneath July, laughing louder than the seagulls, dreaming bigger than the sky. We believed forever waited just beyond the setting sun. Never thought those endless summers would someday become once upon. Every picture wore a story, every face a different song. Every heartbeat in those moments still reminds me where I belong. Still reminds me where I belong. Here's the one outside the station, holding coffee in the rain, talking through the cold of winter, dreaming we'd escape someday. Here's another by the old bridge, watching city lights below, making promises forever, with no thought we'd let them go. Every photograph is breathing, though the colors slowly fade, like a window into yesterday, where our younger shadows played. Sometimes I can almost hear us laughing through those endless nights, like the echoes never left here, still alive beneath the lights. If I could borrow just 1 minute from the hands of passing time, I'd step into those faded pictures and relive those days of mine, just to hear familiar voices calling softly through the years, just to hold those little moments before they disappeared. Fading Polaroids scattered on the floor, holding little pieces of a life that came before. Every smile still whispers, every picture softly speaks, telling stories of the people time could never truly keep. Fading Polaroids, though their colors disappear, every memory inside them still feels beautifully near. Maybe photographs grow older, but love never says goodbye. It simply finds another home inside the heart and mind. Now the streets all look much smaller than they ever did back then. Favorite cafes have disappeared, new buildings stand where memories end. The little park beside the river where we watch the autumn leaves, now it's filled with different dreamers writing stories they'll believe. Friends have traveled different highways, some have families of their own. Some became familiar strangers, some are names inside my phone. Life kept writing different chapters, turning pages one by one, while the clock refused to listen to the wishes of the young. Sometimes change arrives so gently, like the morning after rain. Sometimes it arrives like thunder, leaving nothing quite the same. I don't miss the past because it ended, I miss it because it lived. Every conversation mattered, every little thing we gave, every rose that brought us laughter, every night beneath the stars, every song upon the radio, every dream inside our hearts. Looking back, I finally realized perfect wasn't what we knew. Perfect lived inside the moments shared by me and shared by you. Life was never made of grand things, it was built by simple days, quiet dinners, long conversations, morning coffee, tiny mistakes. Those ordinary little seconds are the ones I treasure now. Funny how they seem so normal, yet they feel so precious now. Maybe life is like a camera, always searching for the light, trying hard to save forever what can only last one night. Maybe every photograph is a promise made by time, saying nothing lasts forever, but these memories are mine. So I'll stop chasing yesterday and stop asking why it changed, because love was never measured by the fact that people stayed. Love is measured by the footprints someone leaves upon your soul, by the way they changed your story, making broken pieces whole. Close your eyes, can you hear the laughter? Can you hear the ocean? Can you hear the old song still playing somewhere? Fading Polaroids lying in my hands, holding every dream we built, holding all our plans. Though the years have changed our faces, though the seasons came and went, nothing can erase the beauty of the love those moments meant. Fading Polaroids like stars across the night, still reminding every dreamer everything will be alright. Because every smile we share, every tear we cry, every tear we cry, everything will be alright. Because every smile we shared, every tear we cried, every chapter that we lived still walks here by my side. I found an old box in the attic, hidden underneath the years, covered by a faded blanket, filled with smiles and silent tears. Every Polaroid was waiting, like it knew I'd come one day, holding little pieces of a lifetime that the years could not erase. There we somewhere beneath the same sky, someone is remembering Somewhere beyond the distance, a heart is still holding on. I wake up to a different morning, a different city, different view. But every sunrise feels a little like the days I spent with you. The streets are filled with strangers, the voices sound unfamiliar. But in the middle of the silence, your memory feels much clearer. I keep walking through the places where I never thought I'd be, carrying 1,000 moments that still mean the world to me. The seasons keep on changing, the years keep moving fast, but some beautiful chapters I never really passed. Summer evenings when the sky was painted gold, we were laughing without worry, with stories left untold. We talked about tomorrow like it would never come. We thought the road was endless and the world belonged to everyone. Now the distance stands between us like an ocean in the night, but every star above my window still reminds me of your light. I don't know where the future leads us, I don't know what time will do, but wherever life may take me, I remember what we knew. Even when the miles divide us, even when the seasons change, some connections last forever, some feelings stay the same. 1,000 miles away, still close to my heart. Even across the distance, we are never truly apart. Oh, 1,000 miles away, under the same blue sky. Different roads we're walking, but the same stars pass us by. And if tomorrow takes us farther, if the world changes our way, I'll keep the memories forever. 1,000 miles away. I found a song we used to listen to, playing softly on the radio. For a moment I was back there, to a time from long ago. The melody brought back pictures of the laughter and the dreams, of the simple little moments that were more than they seemed. Funny how the smallest things now can't bring the biggest smile. A forgotten little photograph, a voice from another while. Life is made of tiny treasures, hidden everywhere we go. Some are kept inside our pockets, some are carried in our soul. Maybe distance is a teacher, showing us what matters most. Maybe time reveals the beauty of the memories we hold close. We don't need to stop the rivers, we don't need to freeze the days. We can honor what was special while we walk our separate ways. 1,000 miles away, you're still part of my story, a chapter full of memories, a moment full of glory. Oh, 1,000 miles away, I can still feel the light connected 1,000 miles away. The sky is endless, the world is wide. Some memories always find a way to come back home. Yeah, yeah. Rastafari, feel the rhythm, feel the vibration, and you they arise, and the fire still burn. One love, oh, yeah. Me come from a place where the sun shine bright, where the ocean meet the morning light, where the people have stories fi tell, and every soul have a dream fi dwell. Me walk through roads where the struggles live, learning every lesson life can give. Some days hard and some nights long, but my spirit keeps singing a powerful song. Me remember the days when hope feel far, when me look up and search for a star. But deep inside me always knew there was a strength me had to push through. Every challenge that came my way helped me grow stronger every day. Every storm that tried to break me down only made me roots hold more ground. When the darkness come around and the pressure start to rise, me look beyond the clouds above and see the hope inside the skies. When the road no easy fi travel and the mountains seem too high, me remember who me really be and spread me wings fi fly. The fire inside me heart can never burn away. Through the coldest night and hardest road, we find a brighter day. The fire inside me heart keep shining like the sun, with your love beside me always. Me know the fight can be won. No river too wide fi cross, no mountain too tall fi climb. Me carry hope and courage till the end of time, yeah. Me see the farmer in the field, giving thanks for every seed, working hard with honest hands, providing everything the family need. Me see the mother with her children, teaching love and showing care, building dreams inside the home with a heart that's always there. Me see the youth them chasing visions, trying to create a better way, holding on to determination, looking toward a brighter day, yeah, yeah. Me see the elders with their stories, full of wisdom from the years, showing us that true success comes from love and not from fears. When the reggae drums start beating and the bassline shake the ground, me feel the energy rising from the people all around. Music carry hope and healing, music bring the world together, like the sunshine after rainfall. Good vibes can last forever, from the island to the mountains, from the villages to the streets. Let the rhythm of positivity move through everybody's feet, yeah. Like the tree beside the river, me will stand through every season. Like the bird that fly above, me will follow love and reason. No matter what the future bring, me will never lose me way, cause the fire inside me heart will guide me every day. Let kindness be the language, let compassion be the key. Let the world learn how to live together in our unity. The fire inside me heart still burning bright and strong, still burning bright. Through the struggles and the changes, me keep moving along, yeah. The fire inside me heart is the light that help me see, hey, a future full of blessings, a world of a life. One love forever. Rastafari. There is a road somewhere between yesterday and tomorrow. A road filled with footsteps, dreams, and memories. I walk down the road we used to know, where the old trees still remain. The same quiet streets were waiting there after years of sun and rain. The corner store was painted different, the signs had changed their name, but in my mind I saw the moments that somehow stayed the same. We were young and full of questions, with the world we couldn't see, chasing dreams beyond the horizon, believing we were meant to be. Every evening felt like forever, every night was full of stars. We were writing our own stories without knowing who we are. Without knowing who we are. I remember those September mornings when the air was cool and bright, walking home beneath the street lamps, talking until late at night. We would share our little secrets and the hopes we held inside, making plans for distant futures with excitement we couldn't hide. The old playground near the river still stands beneath the trees, like it's waiting for the footsteps of the children we used to be. Time has taken many places, time has changed so many things, but the echoes of our laughter still return on gentle winds. Maybe every road remembers every person passing through. Maybe every place keeps pieces of the dreams we once knew. The road we used to know still calls me back sometimes, to the days when life was simple and the stars were easier to find. The road we used to know still carries every song of the people and the moments that helped us carry on. Though the years keep moving forward and the seasons come and go, a part of me is always walking on the road we used to know. I found an old photograph today from a summer long ago. Everyone was smiling brightly before we learned what time would show. Some have followed different highways, some have found another place, some became just distant memories, some I still can recognize. But every person on that journey left a mark upon my heart. Every friendship, every lesson helped create this brand new start. Maybe growing up means learning that nothing stays the same. The seasons change, the rivers move, but memories remain. We don't have to hold tomorrow or bring yesterday back home. We can carry all the beauty while continuing to roam. The road we used to know will always be a part, a place where all the memories still live inside my heart. The road we used to know is more than just a place. It's every dream we dreamed together, every smile upon a face. And even when the years go by and everything is grown, I'll always find a little piece of that road I used to know. The road we used to know. The road is quiet, road. The lights are fading, but the footsteps remain. Some journeys end, some memories stay forever. Yeah. Rastafari, hear the heartbeat of the people. Hear the drums across the land. Every journey starts with one step. Every dream begin with one plan, one love. Me wake up with the sunrise shining, feel the warmth upon me face. Another day fi chase the vision, another chance to find me place. Me know the road can get rough sometimes, and the hills can test me strength, but my faith keep getting stronger. Every mile and every length, me been through storms and every rainfall, seen the darkest of the night, but me never stop believing, cause me know there is a light. Every scar become a lesson, every tear become a song. Every struggle build this spirit and teach me how to carry on. When the pressure start to rise up and the world feels hard to face, keep the courage in your heart, no. Keep on running your own race. When the voices try discourage and the doubt begin to grow, remember every river finds a path, every seed learns how to grow. The road to freedom, me walking every day, with hope inside my footsteps and Jah to guide me way. The road to freedom, no matter how far it go, me keep the fire burning, me keep the spirit strong. Through the valleys and the mountains, through the sunshine and the rain, me rise up every morning, yeah, and start again. Me see the children dreaming bigger, looking toward the open sky, holding visions in them hearts, waiting for them chance to fly. Me see the people working hard up, trying to create a better life, carrying up through every struggle, cutting through the fear and strife. Me see the elder sharing wisdom from the pages of the past, teaching younger generations how to make good moments last. Because the future is a garden, and we plant the seeds today. Every word and every action can help shape tomorrow's way. When the drums begin to echo and the basslines start to roll, me feel the reggae vibration moving deep inside my soul. Every rhythm tell a story, every melody bring peace, every sound can build a bridge where the water Every soul deserves respect. The road to freedom, me walking with a smile. Even when the journey long, me keep the faith worthwhile. The road to freedom is a path we walk together. With love inside our hearts, we can rise forever. Through the sunshine, through the rainfall, through the changes and the pain, me know the light will find us again and again. Yeah. Road keep calling, dreams keep growing, faith keep shining. Keep the love, keep the rhythm. One love forever, Rastafari. Rastafari. Midnight skies, cold station lights, a lonely platform, one suitcase, 1,000 memories. The night keeps moving, but my heart stands still. The last train pulls into the station, its headlights cutting through the rain. People leave with hopeful faces, while I'm still calling out your name. Coffee cups and faded tickets, scattered dreams across the floor. Every sound reminds me softly of the life we had before. The city wears a coat of silence, wrapped in shadow, steel and storm. Thousands walk beside each other, yet I've never felt so alone. Your reflection in the window disappears with passing light, like a photograph that's fading into another sleepless night. If every road leads somewhere new, why does my heart stay here? Why do memories grow louder every time your voice disappears? I'm waiting for the last train home, with a heart that won't let go, holding on to yesterday. When I know I should move on, the tracks keep stretching endlessly beneath the pale moonlight. Maybe home is not a place, maybe it's your eyes. Every station tells a story of people chasing different dreams. Some are running toward tomorrow, some are breaking at the seams. I still keep your old letters folded deep inside my coat. Every word still feels familiar, like I have forgotten note. The clock keeps turning without mercy, hands refusing to stand still. But love ignores the passing hours, and always somehow will. Maybe someday I'll stop searching for your footsteps in the crowd. Maybe silence will stop echoing, maybe I'll make you proud. Until then I'll keep believing that every ending has a dawn. Even if the train keeps leaving, life somehow keeps moving on. I'm waiting for the last train home, though the night is growing old. Every mile carries memories worth more than silver or gold. If tomorrow finds me smiling, it won't mean I've Rastafari. Sometimes the night feel long, sometimes the road feel hard, but every darkness have an ending. The sun will shine again. One love, one love, oh, oh. Yeah. Me wake up early in the morning, hear the birds them start to sing. Give thanks for life and every blessing, for the hope another day bring. Me know the journey never easy, and the road can't test the soul. Some days me feel the weight on my shoulder, some days me fight to reach my goal. Me remember all the moments when me almost lose my way, when the clouds cover the sunshine and me couldn't see the brighter day. But a little voice inside me whisper, keep walking, don't give up now, because every seed beneath the ground will grow into a flower somehow. When the rain falls heavy and the wind blows strong, hold on to the faith inside you, keep singing your song. When the world feels broken and hope feels far away, remember after every night come a brand new day. The sun will shine again after the storm pass by. New light will touch the morning and bring color to the sky. The sun will shine again, so don't give up the fight. Even the darkest valley can lead you to the light. Keep your heart believing, keep your spirit strong, because Jah never leave you, He guide you all along. Yeah. Me see the people in the struggle trying hard to make ends meet. Still them find a way to smile, still them stand on them feet. Me see the dreamer with ambition, holding visions in her mind, looking for a better future, leaving all the fear behind. Me see the elder sharing wisdom, words that carry many years, teaching us about patience and overcoming fears. Me see the children playing freely with laughter in the air, showing us the simple blessings that life can always share. When the reggae drums start calling and the basslines start to roll, me feel the music healing deep inside my soul. Every rhythm tell a story, every melody bring peace. Every song can live for spirit, every heart can find release. From the island to the city, from the mountains to the sea, let the vibration of love and unity set everybody free. No matter where you come from, no matter where you stand, we all walk in different roads, but together hand in hand. Like the river keep on flowing, me will keep moving too. Like the eagle in the heavens, me will rise above the blue. No storm can last forever, no cloud can hide the sun. Every battle have a lesson, every race can be won. So me keep the love inside me, and me keep the faith alive. With Jah blessing every morning, me know me will survive. Me look back on the journey and the places me have been, all the tears and all the laughter, all the things me have seen. Every chapter had a purpose, every moment had a role. Every road that tried to break me helped to strengthen my soul. Me no fear the days ahead, no, cause tomorrow bring a chance. Every sunrise is a promise, every heartbeat is a dance. So me walk with appreciation, with gratitude and pride, knowing Jah light forever will always be my guide. The sun will shine again after the longest night. The world will start rebuilding and everything feel right. The sun will shine faith growing, love flowing. Keep the fire burning, one love forever. Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Hear the ocean calling, feel the breeze a whisper. Every wave carry a story, every heartbeat carry a dream. From the first sunrise to the last star at night, Jah keep guiding the journey, one love. We stand beside the ocean early morning, when the sky begin to turn gold, watching the waves rolling slowly, like stories from days of old. The breeze touch my face with a blessing, and the birds sing over the sea. In that quiet little moment, me feel the world speaking to me. Me think about the road me travel, all the places me have been, all the mountains me had to climb over, all the battles me have seen. Me remember the days when the road was heavy, when the pressure nearly break me down, but me found strength deep inside me. I'm rise from the ground. Every scar became a lesson, every struggle shaped my soul, every tear that fell like rainfall helped me become whole. Me no forget where me come from, me no forget the hands that help. Every person who showed kindness left a blessing for me shell. When the storm clouds start approaching and the waves begin to rise, me look beyond the darkness to the open side of skies. When the road become uncertain and me cannot see the way, me hold her close inside me heart, I'm keep walking every day. The ocean know me name, the wind know me story. Every wave that touch the shoreline sing a song of hope and glory. The ocean know me name, the stars know where me stand. From the island to the world, know me carry love across the land. No matter where the journey lead me, no matter how far me roam, the rhythm of the ocean always remind me there is a place called home. The ocean know me name, and the waves know me song. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, me keep moving along. Yeah. We see the fisherman before sunrise, preparing for another day. With courage inside him spirit, he sail across the bay. Me see the farmer in the field, planting seeds beneath the sun, knowing patience and dedication bring blessings when harvest come. Me see the mother holding children, teaching love and respect, building dreams inside the family. With every sacrifice she make, me see the worker on the roadside, trying hard to reach a goal, carrying dreams on tired shoulders, but still keeping hope in her soul. Me see the young ones chasing visions with fire inside their eyes, dreaming of a better tomorrow, reaching toward the sky. something true. Every soul got it in greatness, waiting for shine through. When the evening touched the village and the sunset paint the sea, hear the reggae drums start beating, calling people to be free. Bassline rolling like the ocean, guitar singing with the breeze. Every rhythm bring a message, traveling across the seas. People dancing by the firelight, underneath the stars above, sharing laughter, sharing memories, celebrating peace and love. For music, no borders. Music, no walls. It bring together every nation and remind us we are all. From the mountains to the valley, from the city to the shore, let the sound of unity continue forever, more and more. Me walk along the shoreline, watching footprints in the sand, thinking about the journey and the purpose Jah have planned. Some people come like sunshine, some people come like rain, but every soul we meet in life leaves something in our brain. Some teach us about patience, some teach us how we grow, some show us hidden strength that we never used to know. Life is like the ocean water, always changing with the tide. Sometimes calm and full of beauty, sometimes waves come rushing wide. But the sailor who keeps faith strong will always find a way, because after every darkness come another brighter day. Like the palm tree by the ocean, we will bend but never break. Like the river through the valley, we will move with every change. Like the lighthouse in the distance, standing through the darkest night, we will keep the flame inside me and continue shining bright. Teach the children love and kindness, teach respect for every soul. Show the world that compassion can help make broken hearts whole. Protect the earth and all creation, keep the waters clean and blue, because the world will leave tomorrow depend on what we do. The ocean know me name, the wine know my story. Your love keeps surrounding me with blessings and glory. The ocean know me name, forever it will sing, a reminder of the beauty that every new day brings. There's an old road that I haven't walked in years, an old front porch, an old wooden door, a place that still remembers my name. Home is never just a place, sometimes it's a memory. Past the old neighborhood where every street still looked the same. The mailbox leaning by the sidewalk still carry traces of our name. The paint had faded from the windows, the garden wasn't blooming now, but standing there I could still picture every dream, every promise somehow. I remembered bicycles on summer evenings, running races until dark, catching fireflies in old mason jars, leaving wishes in the park. Every corner held a memory, Sunday dinners, fresh baked bread and coffee warm, Grandma humming old-time melodies while rain tapped softly through the storm. Dad was fixing broken picture frames, Mom was dancing while she cleaned. Ordinary little moments now feel brighter than they seem. Christmas lights around the rooftop, birthdays filled with paper crowns, movie nights beneath one blanket, laughter echoing through the house. The old oak tree behind the backyard still reaches toward the sky, like it's waiting for the children who promised they'd never say goodbye. If walls could speak, what stories would they tell? Would they remember every heartbeat better than we know ourselves? The house we left behind still lives inside my soul. Every hallway, every window still makes my spirit whole. The house we left behind never really disappeared. It followed us through every season, through every passing year. Though someone else may live there now and paint the rooms anew, a little part of that old house will always belong to you. Life became a little faster, different cities, different skies, new addresses on envelopes, different dreams before my eyes. Friends grew into different people, children grew and moved away. Photographs became reminders of another yesterday. Sometimes I still hear the screen door closing softly in my mind, like the echoes never left there, even though we left behind. Funny how the smallest moments become treasures over time. Not the gifts or celebrations, but the quiet days we find. Morning sunlight through the curtains, shoes lying neatly by the wall, the sound of someone calling dinner. Simple things become it all. Maybe home is not a building made of bricks and wood and stone. Maybe home is every heartbeat that has ever made us known. Maybe home is every person who helped us become who we are. 1,000 little moments still shining like a star. So I won't be sad it's over or wish the years away, because that old house gave me memories that still guide me today. The house we left behind, one old swing, one familiar doorway. The lights may be different, the people may be gone, but somewhere beyond the years, the front door opens and we're all home again. Oh, oh, we'll never say goodbye. One old front porch, one old swing, one familiar doorway. The lights may be different, the people may be gone, but somewhere beyond the years, the front door opens and we're all home again. Yeah, yeah, Rastafari. New morning, new blessing, new sunrise, new beginning. Give thanks for life, give thanks for love. one love. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Early in the morning when the sun start rise, me look up to the heavens and give thanks with me eyes. Another day is a gift, another chance we grow, another road ahead and another place we go. Me hear the birds singing sweet melody, feel the gentle breeze coming from the sea. Nature tell a story if you listen close. Every little blessing is the one me value most. Me not chase after things that fade away. Me treasure the love that guide me every day. A smile from a stranger, helping hand, can bring more joy than gold in the land. Me been through the valleys, me been through the rain, but every hard moment teach me something again. Life is a journey with lessons to learn. Every last road help the spirit return. When the clouds cover the sunshine and the night feel long and cold, remember every sunrise bring a story yet untold. When the heart feel tired and weary and the road seem hard to walk, keep the faith inside your spirit. Let your love become your rock. Oh, the blessings in the morning, shining like the golden sun. Every day is a reminder that a new life has begun. The blessings in the morning, flowing like the river wide, with gratitude inside me heart, and Jah always by me side. Through the struggle, through the pain, hope will rise again. Every morning bring a blessing, every sunrise bring a change. We see the people in the village working hard from dawn till night, keeping dreams inside their hearts, keeping faith and doing right. We see the farmer plant the harvest with patience in every seed, knowing love and dedication always bring the things we need. We see the fisherman on the ocean facing waves and facing wind, trusting that tomorrow morning better days will surely begin. We see the children running freely, laughing underneath the sky, pure hearts full of imagination, dreaming they can't touch the eye. When the evening come around us and the stars begin to shine, we reflect on all the blessings that have passed along the time. The reggae drums start beating softly like a heartbeat of the earth. Every rhythm carry a message, showing everybody worth. Music bring the people closer, no matter where them come from. Like the ocean join the rivers, love can make the world as one. Like the tree that grow through seasons, we will stand and we will rise. Like the eagle flying higher, we will reach beyond the skies. We will keep our heart of kindness, we will keep our peaceful mind, because the greatest gift we give is the love we leave behind. Protect the earth and all creation, show respect for life we see, plant the seeds of hope and mercy for a better world to be. The blessings in the morning still shining every day, guiding every step me taking, leading me along the way. The blessings in the morning keep the fire in my soul. With your love and faith beside me, me will always reach me goal. Through the sunshine, through the rainfall, me will rise and stand again, giving thanks for every blessing, now and forever. Amen. Yeah. Morning come, blessings flow, love remain. Keep the faith, keep the rhythm, one love forever. alright.